In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can animate lines in Adobe After Effects. So I have the shape layer here, which I created inside of After Effects using the pen tool. And when I open up my shape layer by clicking this arrow here, I can see that I have an add option, and here I'm going to choose trim paths. Now if I open up the trim paths and I make sure I'm in the beginning of my timeline if I want to start there, I have start and an offset. Let's set the end to 0%, click the stopwatch here to make a keyframe, and then go to about 5 seconds and set the end to 100%. And if you now go to the beginning and you play, as you can see, our line has been animated and it's moving. So that's how you can easily animate lines in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.